Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen spatial phone Citroën Berlingo Peugeot partner 2018 to 2020 years. Okay, let me introduce head unit. This install part will come with head unit together. Okay, this is small speaker. This is canvas box and harness. This special harness from Peugeot Berlingo Citroën. Okay, plug and play. Okay, let me show head unit. You can choose the time, logo, and music. Okay, and the speed. You can change logo. Pure. Okay, you can change the color, theme color. All apps are here, or you can check settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. All apps are here. It is built-in DSP amplifier and built-in Google Maps. It's the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Android Auto and CarPlay. Play Store, you can download the applications from it. Okay, let me back to home. Let me check the settings. Wi-Fi, it's built-in Wi-Fi. And car settings. Host setting. LED setting, you can change the color with green, blue. Any color you can adjust this panel. Volume button. About motion, you can check the MCU volume, the CPU, RAM 4GB, PX5 octa-core, Android 9 Pie system. Storage, you can check total 64GB. Okay, let me introduce Bluetooth, device name and pin number. You can open the Bluetooth from your phone. Bluetooth, okay. Search pin code 40. Okay, show Bluetooth icon paired. Let me connect the speaker. Okay. Yeah, have sound. Okay. You can stream music from your phone. Volume control from your phone. There are 2 USB cable. To play music from a USB. It's DSP amplifier. It's built in Google Maps. It's running Google Navigation and music at the same time. Split screen. Okay. This is the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And video disabled for your safety. You need to set it in the settings. Focus on some focus on video. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Visit our website, belsee.com, belse.com. Okay, thank you.